Scorpio, as requested. This is Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Scorpio mandirigma? Kamusta? Scorpio? Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. Kamusta mga Scorpio? Last mga readings natin, meron tayong mga nabasa about financial challenges para sa mga Scorpio. And of course, yung sa relationship din, no? And hopefully, eto na yung pagpasok ng New Year ay mas maganda ang reading, mas maganda yung energy, okay? But of course, mangyayari lang yon if gagawa tayo ng different decision at mas maayos na decision sa life natin. Alright? Last three shuffles. Scorpio. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Alright. Announce ko lang, ongoing pa rin ang sale ng ating mga crystals. I feel 3 more shuffles. Ongoing pa rin ang sale ng ating mga crystals from the regular price of 2,500, 1,999 na lang. Lahat ng crystals natin, authentic, high quality, cleansed, blessed, ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Okay? PM nyo lang ako para sa inyong mga crystals, kung ano yung manifestations nyo, and for your personal reading. Okay, 5 of Cups. Someone feels sad sa situation na to, okay? Lalo na nag-holiday, I don't know, meron bang hindi pag-uusap? Bakit nagkaroon ng disappointment at sadness sa energy ng mga Scorpio? The Queen of Swords in reverse, the feminine in this connection, nagkaroon na ng real talk, sobrang takle sa conversation with her person, okay? May silent battle between two feminines here. Okay. Someone is not caring at all, focusing on herself, focusing on her self-love, focusing on loving people who loves her. At merong isang Queen of Swords dito na parang nakatingin siya, parang tinitingnan niya yung isang feminine na parang, sino ba to? Okay, tapos may conflict, okay? Someone tried to, may isang tao na gustong ipaglaban pa rin ang connection na to. And, there is a feeling of detachment here, but, okay. The Knight of Wands is the energy of flakiness, atras abante. It's either magde-detach na ba daw ang mga Scorpio o ipaglalaban pa itong connection na to. Someone feels sad about the disagreement sa partnership na to. Sabi niya is nakalimutan na ba ng masculine yung mga promises, okay? Na siya yung feminine, na siya yung empress, na siya yung binigyan ng pangako. But it feels like parang nagkakaroon ng confusion yung masculine here because someone is trying to stalk another feminine energy, pero itong isa namang feminine at parang walang pake, mag-stalk ka dyan, okay? Ano to? Okay, so, nagkakaroon ng overthinking, sleepless nights, but also letting go energy, and someone is trying to walk away from this connection already. May na-reveal na lies and deceit na nagdala ng broken heart at disappointment, okay? Because someone is not giving fairly for this connection. Someone feels like, sabi niya, ibinuhos niya ang lahat ng pagmamahal niya para sa connection na to. But sabi niya, kung kailangan mag-walk away at iwanan, mag-move forward, sabi niya, is true love na to, gagawin niya. Okay? Nagkaroon ng mga maling decision about this connection, paulit-ulit na disappointing situation, at may mga promises, no, at good result sana na in-expect, okay? Bawal kasi expectorant, kailangan ng reseta, okay? Someone expected a lot sa connection na to, pero nagkaroon ng disappointment, okay? So, someone, no, I feel may hindi na pag-uusapan dito, but someone feels torn kung sino ba daw talaga ang kanyang soulmate. Alright? Let's see. Ano ba? Hindi naman nakakalito ang soulmate. Pag healthy para sa yung tao, that's soulmate. Pagka lason sa buhay mo yan, karmic yan. Okay? Pag nagdala ng malaking if this person is naging catalyst for your growth, and that is your twin flame. Kapag puro problema ang dala, karmic yan. Gusto mo ba yun? Lason? Ahas. Gusto mo yan? Ahas. Snake in the grass. Alright. So, So the reason for the reading is the Ten of Swords. This is like for the Scorpios, okay? I feel nagkaroon ng situation sa buhay mo na sobrang nakasakit sa'yo. Sobrang feeling mong ikinamatay mo tong pain na to at nag-resurrect ka lang pagkatas ng 3 araw. Okay, this is because of a family situation na in-expect mo na may like long term dito, na may magandang future, na may magandang plano, you know, but nagkaroon ng disappointment and betrayal energy because kung ano man yung mga promises, it feels like capable naman, no, na parang kaya namang ibigay itong commitment na to, pero parang hindi na ibigay. Hindi nagkaroon ng abutan ng sobre. Alright, ano ba? So, yeah. Scorpio, I feel, this last 3 months, meron ka mga hinihintay na good news, promises, sana, but parang nagkaroon ng blockages, kung ano man yung mga inaasahan mong good news, sana, hindi nakarating. But sabi mo, you stay on your loving energy, okay? Na sabi mo ayaw mo masyadong magpa-apekto dun sa mga unpleasant situation sa relationship, which is the best thing to do, okay? Meron kang prayers and manifestations. May prayers and manifestations yung feminine here na sana yung masculine sa situation na to ay gumawa ng tamang decision at maging reliable masculine, okay? You might be dealing with a Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Libra, water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo. Okay, yung mga involve. Yung mga hit list. Okay. So, I feel you're focusing more on right now, Scorpio, sa new passionate connection or mga bagong skills, bagong like, I don't know, bagong magpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi naman kasi laging tao no? Pwedeng you're trying to learn, mag-enroll, certification, whatever. A new skill, a new something na magugustuhan mo. Okay? Sabi mo kasi parang meron kang hinahanap sa sarili mo na something new na ma-build mo. Okay? At nagkaroon ka rin mga disappointment dito sa mga, I feel this 2024, kasi meron kang sinusubukang i-build, but parang you know, ang daming naging blockages, ang daming naging delays sa mga manifestations mo this 2024. Kaya sabi mo, ilalaban mo siya ng mas maganda this 2025. Alright? Your person, meron din siyang mga manifestations na nagkaroon ng delays. Bakit ganitong energy nyo? Oh, meron siyang minamanifest yung person ng mga Scorpio na soul connection. This is also like embracing yung light and dark, na parang your person is trying to learn about their own darkness and their own light, yung gift nila at yung mga bagay na yung shadow work, yung mga hindi maganda ugali na kailangan din nilang ayusin sa sarili nila. Nagkaroon ng revelation dito that someone is entertaining another energy, yung mga kasinungalingan na nagdala ng sleepless nights. Okay? So, I feel meron ka ng mga doubts kung dapat pa ba talagang intayin ang pagbabago, intayin magkaroon ng maging better yung situation here, because I feel you've waited long enough but na-disappoint ka over and over again. And the Seven of Pentacles, the energy of like good news and harvest time, I feel na-disappoint ka rin kasi wala kang nakitang good news sa relationship na to. Okay? I feel magkakaroon naman ng pag-uusap, but I don't think na magiging maayos siya, talaga as in maayos. Because yung reconnection, reconciliation energy is like, parang may mga patterns, no? Toxic patterns kayong dalawa na paulit-ulit nyo lang ginagawa, kaya hindi nagiging successful yung reconciliation, reconnection, to balance your energy out at magkaroon ng harmony sa pagsasama. The Madagascar Rose Quartz. Okay? Maaaring magkaroon na naman ng revelation ng mga bagay na hindi maganda, mga sikreto, mga itinagong katotohanan sa relationship na to. Kaya I feel ko questionin mo na kung kaya pa bang ilaban ang connection na to ground your energy, Madagascar, black tourmaline. Okay? To have mental clarity and to have a stronger connection with the divine, the amethyst crystals. Okay? So, wala ako masyadong nakikitang malaking transformation until the end of first quarter. But I feel the feminine would focus more on her financial stability, but there's still the energy of defeat because parang meron talagang loss sa money energy dito. Ako nakikita. Part 2 tayo.